A short review on Empower Budget and Save Money. This is a type of budget building or money management application. As on the official website, you can see better budgeting for your budget life. You can create on Build My Budget to simply create your monthly budget. As you can see on this home screen, there is budget mentioned. 4.7 stars on the Apple Store, Forbes magazine advisor. So the website looks quite genuine, and yes, you can surely give it a try. There is nothing in giving a try to a new software or website, whatever comes to your way. Now, if you're searching for budget building, you will get save more and spend less, adjust your budget anytime, and many more. You can use for portfolio analysis, retirement planner, net worth, transaction review, saving planner, debt pay down, and emergency funds. This is everything you will need in a money management application. So yes, give it a try. There is a big yes. Thank you so much for watching this video.